Hey guys, Ethan here. Have you watched our previous video? If you did, you may remember it had the tumblebee. It's not a car, it's a bee. I'm here with Alex again because why not? I mean,
yeah.
And last time I accidentally ended the video short.
So then we decided.
We decided to do a part 2.
Yeah.
So yes. My camera's got a smudge on it. Oh, let me fix that. I did not fix that. Okay. So we're back with the tumblebee. Got like grass on it or something. Yeah, so we're back here with the tumblebee and we got Alex's ramp. And we're gonna let Alex go over it now. In the previous video, I went over it, and I went over it like on these rocks here. So now Alex is gonna go over it with the ramp. So Alex, this is like your video. Well, it's my video, but still,
yeah,
you know what I mean.
Woohoo! Ah! You see that?
Mhm.
Oh, there, finally.
Car!
What?
There's a car! Ah! Stop!
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Jeez Louise, there's a car! Ah!
Oh. Yeah, I'll just flip it.
Yeah, I just flipped it. Is it going slow or are you making it go slow?
I'm making it go slow. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, crap!
Wait, make it go as fast as it can.
Okay.
No, Alex. Put it on the road, because I think it might be dying. Is that as fast as it can go? Make it go across the street, but make it go fast. Like as fast as it can go. Go! Is that as fast as it can go? You don't know. Well, I think it's dying.
Oh, wait. Does it have like a low battery thing?
You have to recharge it then. Well, let's do other stuff then. I'm thirsty. Yeah, could you get us some water?
Okay, you can just put that back.
Yeah, I'll.
He'll just put it back. I'll go and get some water.
Yep.